Today you're going to start a new chapter on transformations of functions, so I wanted to give you a video just as a brief overview so you know what's coming up this week. So you see here the three functions that we've studied this year. We have our linear function first, our quadratic function second, and our exponential function third. So what does it mean to transform a function? Well, if you think about the word transform, it means to change. So we're going to be taking a given function and putting some type of change on that function. For example, we could take this first linear function and we could slide it to the right. So I've changed that function's position on the coordinate plane. We could take this quadratic function and we could flip it. That's another type of transformation. So if I reflect it or flip it, I'm also changing its orientation on the coordinate plane. We could reflect over the y-axis. That would be another flip. So looking at this exponential function, if I flipped that over the y-axis, it would look like that. There's also another type of transformation, which is called a stretch or a shrink. I'm going to go back to that quadratic. If I were to take this quadratic, I could stretch it, and it would look something like that. So transformations of functions just means we're going to change the way that the graphs are oriented or the way that they appear on the coordinate plane. And the different types of transformations you're going to see are shifts. You're going to see reflections. You're going to see stretches. And then this was another type of reflection. So today we're going to focus on just vertical shifts. We have two goals today. One, you need to make sure that you can describe the transformation in words. And then secondly, you need to make sure you can describe the transformation symbolically, which means using the function notation. So that is what your Desmos activity is going to teach you today. Make sure you do that first, and then you'll follow that up with the quizzes assignment.